So we just got our food here at Summer House on the Lake, and it got me thinking about a lot of people asking questions about dining on a Disney cruise. And I'm here to tell you how it goes. This is really good. Honestly, it's one of the best things on a cruise, and if you've never done it on a Disney cruise, sometimes it can be a little confusing. So I'm here to tell you how it actually is. So first thing to know is you're not picking where you eat every night. It's already done for you, and you're part of a thing called rotational dining, which means there's 3 different restaurants that you're going to be going to, and each night you'll go to a different one. And the best thing is your server actually comes with you, so they actually get to know you throughout the cruise, know your likes, know what you drink, know what you don't like, and it is amazing because by the end of the cruise, they know you like your family. So on a Disney cruise, dining is not just about the food, it's about the experience, because some of the restaurants you have actual shows. So one night you could be eating at a fancy restaurant on the Wish called 1923, and then the next year over in Arendelle, the next day having a dinner show in front of you. And it's amazing. Like these shows, it feels less like a dining experience and more like part of the entertainment and part of that kind of thing when you're on the cruise. So it is way different than anything you've ever experienced on any other cruise ship. Some of the places are even interactive, like on some of the ships they have a thing called Animator's Palette, where Crush will come talk to you at your table, not at your table, but he's on a screen and he's talking to you from his aquarium, from the ocean, and it's really, really cool because it's interactive and it's fun and it's funny. And another of one of the Animator's palettes, the thing comes to life with the color. It starts in black and white, and by the end it's fully color, and you have a special guest at the very end too. It is just way, way cooler than any other dining experience on any other cruise ship. Now let's talk about the food itself. The food itself is not like mind-blowing unless you eat at Animator's Palette, which you want to get the truffle pasta, and that will change your life, as well as the bread over at Marvel, World of Marvel. That will change your life too. But the food is not just normal food. When you go, if you are mixed up in between 2 different things, let's say I want 2 different appetizers, get them. You want 2 entrees, get it. You want to try every one of the desserts, do it. You can do that. If you are not stuck to just getting one thing, or if you get something and you don't like it, you're like, I don't like this, can you get me something else? And they will do it. So the food might not be mind-blowing, but there's a lot of it, and you can get all of it. So honestly, the biggest difference between eating at Disney World, like here, and eating at Disney cruises is that Disney Cruise is just easy. You don't have to rush to try to get a reservation. You're not running across the park trying to make a reservation. And you're not wondering where to eat every single day. You're like, where do I eat? You're already there. You're there, and they tell you where to eat every single night. So it's just easy. You're not trying to figure out how much things cost. Do I have the dining plan? Again, where am I going to eat? What's the best place to eat? You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. It's just easy, and it's a lot more fun being stress-free than stressed out trying to find a place. All right, let's run it through the playbook. So when you're on a Disney cruise, the other thing that you really have to look out for is there's other places, not just the rotational dining, but there's other places that you can eat, like the pool deck. That's all included too. There's the Marceline Market or Cabanas. Those places, they're all included. There is extra places where you have to pay for things like the sweet shops and stuff like that to get like extra cupcakes and things like that. But most of it is included. So that's why Disney cruises, and pretty much any cruise, is so easy to do when it comes to food, because you're not thinking about it. It's just there. It's all included as much as you want. Like this, I had to pay for. Everything else I had to pay for. The drinks I had to pay for. Disney, you don't have to worry about paying for it. It's already paid for. It's just it's stress-free. Stress-free. Go enjoy your meals on the cruise. Again, get 2 or 3. No one's paying attention. You're on vacation. Do what you need to. Calories don't count on vacation. Calories don't count on vacation. And you're doing a lot of steps anyways. Going up the stairs. Take the stairs one time instead of the elevators. We will see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.